Welcome to another episode of Jumi's vlog, and thank you guys so much for the 170 subscriber. Like shout out to all the subscriber. Thank you so much. I usually don't sketch or like pencil color इतना use नहीं करता. I usually use acrylic and watercolor. Yeah, I don't know why I told you that, but yeah. उसके बाद में I usually paint for the people I love and paint the people I love. So if I ever gave you any paintings, just know that I really loved you. Okay, and love you. I don't know, किसी किसी को पहचान में आएगा कौन है, पर बहुत सारा लोगों को पहचान में नहीं आएगा ये कौन है, because I am not proud of this. This is Luffy, Usopp, and Nami. I am kind of proud with this Usopp, and this was from Skypiea, and this is from Spirited Away. So cute. I think I did very good. This is also I tried making someone, but thus I'm not proud of this. These are some of the lines. कहीं से देखा था. I didn't write it myself. Do you want me to read it? Okay, I'll read it for you, okay? Don't get bored. How does it feel knowing that a thief can come and steal your peace because your lack of boundaries gave them permission? You're just a gift that keeps on giving, a Santa Claus with no Christmas in return. No excuse should excuse you from not putting yourself first. What, you're scared of your past or something? What, you're scared your friend's gonna laugh or something? Because what you feel is what you attract. So if you assume or consume the idea that you're lacking, that's exactly what you'll be waking up and having. Absence for breakfast. You're a habitual skeptic, a visual paradox, being the culprit in question, but you keep looking for someone else to blame. You keep looking for someone else to explain why equivalent exchange don't apply to you, why your peace of mind won't reconcile with you, God complex with no God inside of you, but you want your decipher to decipher you. Yes, that's it. Thread theory. The theory is so beautiful. I hope you know the theory. If you don't know, I'll tell you guys ki the theory is ki every soulmate is binded with the invisible red thread that will bring them together at the end. Another pretty painting that I did. I think I did great. Bal ko chhod ke. Bal is not good. This is one of my friends. Please don't look at it. April में बनाया था इसे. Was painted in May. Oh my god, this is so bad. I do not even want to show. And this is eyes. Random eyes. The very funny thing is I made the pupil love. I didn't complete this, but I was so interested in this look. एक रील्स चल रहा था ना जहाँ में मतलब कि शकल जो बिल्ली लोग का होगा लेकिन बदन जो इंसान का होगा एंड लाइक नहीं कंट्री इंडिया का रसिया का मतलब शकल जो बिल्ली वाला होगा लेकिन बदन जो आई डोंट नो आई लाइक दैट इसलिए आई वांटेड टू ड्रॉ दिस आई वांटेड टू पेंट दिस बट बीच में आई गॉट बोर्ड उसके बाद छोड़ दिया. दिस इज माई फेवरेट Miyamura-kun. Then this is from Kiki's delivery service. Gigi and his friend. Random girl. Like the vibe, the picture, I don't know, I liked the vibe so I drew it. And this is some quote. You don't always have to be doing something, you can just be, and that's plenty. And this is some girl from the beach. And this is Sanji. Ah. Painted this. She is my Kuchu Sidai. She was one of my favorite Kuchu. Like I still miss her. But हो कि मरने से अच्छा one shot मरा देगा बोल के मरा दिया. Which I think is also a good thing. क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल भी ले गए, सर्जरी भी कर दिया, पर भी she was not getting better or she was suffering. So I think that was a good thing to end her life directly, even if we didn't want. Everybody in the house loved her, but we all could not see her in pain, like हर दिन धीरे धीरे करके मरने से अच्छा एक दिन. Yeah, I'm still miss her. What's cooking? Master Chef.
Đâu, cái liệt.
क्या जो?
भागन को कोई खिलाए. आदमी को थोड़ा नहाने देना है ना.
तो साहब नहाने से वैसे ही होगा, उनको पता है कुछ चेंज तो होगा ही नहीं.
रिपोर्ट कर देगा.
Open your eyes. अरे अरे
Tinam tipa mare. Apa doriku?
Kapu ba?
Tilueng o katala da. Ala da. Kapu da.
kapu ba.
Kapu da.
चलेगा ना. खुशी आप मीट खा सकते हैं. मीट खा सकते हैं.
Kata itu.
दांत है.
Nanya deko ama.
दांत नहीं है.
Tora करके ini.
Thank you. I got center fresh. Kaya lingcho.
Ade. Ama budi chul ko kata hai.
ठीक है तो चलती है. Today the father called me at college ka, and he was asking me ki when will I submit the painting. We were in the art club, me and Anu, like together with other people. इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं था, मतलब कि तो लिमिटेड इंसान ही था आर्ट क्लब में, and we were asked to paint something so that they'll frame it and put it in the hallway of the college, or I don't know, exhibit करेगा बोल के, but I still didn't paint. उसके बाद the father was calling me and asking me when will you bring. तो मैंने बोल दिया कि जब रिजल्ट आएगा तभी I'll bring, but I still didn't paint. उसके बाद में एक I feel कि कुछ दिन के बाद में ही रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, so I have to paint something. I thought कि I don't have to paint क्योंकि कॉलेज भी ख़त्म हो गया और नहीं होगा, but then उसने बोला कि I still have to give. Okay, I have to paint. I will go out now. I have to buy color, white color and red color. I do not have that, so I'll go and buy that color, and I have to buy books, so yeah. And I don't want to get ready. I do not want to get ready, so I'll just go like that and all. बस I'll change the t-shirts. ये भी मतलब घर का ही है, पर I don't know, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा चपक के थोड़ा गर्म आ रहा, तो I'll wear something. ये पहन के I'll just go. This is my cocoa chili. Nothing much. What? बुद्ध बच्चा. ये लोग आएगा अभी। आए उसको फिर भगाना पड़ेगा हमको। पैदल जाने का यही एक बोरिंग होती है, ये लोग पूरा भगाना पड़ता है, घर जाओ बोल के। नहीं तो पीछे पीछे करते रहेगा। अभी देखो आ रहे बुड्ढू बच्चा लोग। Shit. तेरी यादा में मुंडा। I bought this Miu Miu bag. Miu Miu mini bag. जी बैग कितना कितना हो गया? 20,000. Okay. Please use my card. Okay, thank you. Hello? What do you want? 50,000? Okay, wait, I'll send you. Transport कर दो. Did you get it? From my new bag? La 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 la. This is a keychain, an accessory. And then I have this. I brought another प्यारा ही है. I don't know. Tell me that this is cute because I'm not getting fond of it. Brought the book, like, oh my god, class 10 or 9 or 10 की मैथ्स बुक खरीदा. Like my cousins, why are you guys so useless? एक बुक ही मांगा था, उसको भी नहीं ढूंढ पाया. इतना ज़्यादा छोटा इंसान है लेकिन भी. And then I have this bindi. I bought this. I don't know, I really wanted this. इसलिए I bought it. एक वहाँ में गया था, वहाँ में रेड और ब्लैक कलर का बिंदी था. सो आई आस्क्ड कि क्या आपके साथ में क्या क्रिस्टल वाला बिंदी नहीं है क्या, मतलब कि जो चमक स्पार्कलिंग वाला है. चला नो नहीं है. उसके बाद तक आगे गया तो मुझे मिल गया. हाँ हाँ हाँ. Isn't this so cute? ओह तो गलती लगा दिया क्या? Shit, I didn't, तो तेरा लगा दिया. Yes. Yeah. Oh my god, if I'll pair it with the silver sari, I would look so cute. Wow. Ooh. Sun and mountain. Very good. ले आप भी बनाए करेगा. दीदी के साथ आप भी बनाए करेगा.
वो देखो
वाओ येलो कलर मारो.
येलो कलर का
ये चाहिए. ये नहीं चाहिए. ये चाहिए. ये भी नहीं चाहिए. ये चाहिए. ये लो. आटे को. No picture. No, nothing. Only word. I eat a bit of everything. I think that's the secret. A B C D. आता को करेगा. आता आएगा. No, अंदर करेगा.